start by collecting our ingredients. We have milk powder, softened butter, Bisquick, and milk. Start by adding the Bisquick into the milk powder and mixing it evenly and well. Now add the softened butter and cut it into nice little small pebbles within the milk powder. Drizzle some of the milk in and stir it into the mixture. You'll have to do this slowly until you have a nice soft dough. As you will see, the resulting dough is very soft and very sticky. But don't worry, you're going to let it rest for half an hour and you will find that it becomes nice and firm and manageable. Now let's make the syrup. In a large pot, put your 2 cups of sugar, a pinch of saffron, and 3 cups of water, and prepare to boil that. Bring the syrup to a rolling boil and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. As you can see, the syrup is nice and clear and the saffron color is slowly melting into the water. Now add the crushed cardamom seeds to the syrup and turn the heat off. We are now ready to start making the jamun. We start by kneading the dough. As you can see, it's now nice and firm and you want a nice smooth consistency throughout. Lightly oil your hands and start by making a few round balls, about the size of a large marble. In our home, we always made the jamun into slender tubes, as we found that it cooks more evenly. Use your hands to roll out each ball into a tube that is about half an inch thick. Use even pressure and make sure there are no cracks in the dough. Once you have about 10 or 15 jamun tubes, lightly grease a plate and place them all on that in preparation for frying. At this time, you should have your sugar syrup ready, a bowl with paper towels to drain the jamun in, and of course, a pan with about 1 to 2 inches of hot oil. The oil is ready for the jamun when you drop a small piece in and it sizzles and rises. Lower the temperature of the oil to medium-high and gently drop each of the tubes of jamun into the hot oil. Use a spatula to gently lift and turn the jamun so they brown evenly. Just like donuts, the jamun will rise to the surface when the oil is the perfect temperature. Make sure they don't stick to the bottom. Stir them gently and make sure they turn into a nice golden brown. Once they're a lovely, even brown color, you can remove them and drain them on the paper towel. Add the drained jamun while it's still warm into the sugar syrup. The warmth of the jamun helps it to absorb the syrup. Repeat the process of rolling, frying, draining, and soaking the jamun until you have used up all of the dough. If necessary, stir gently to evenly distribute the jamun in the sugar syrup. Let them soak for at least 1 hour until they are all tender. You can serve this delicious Indian favorite with or without the syrup. Either way, I can guarantee that you will become a favorite among your guests.